Hey drummers, I'm Jim Linsner along with Danusha Beats on video and editing. Today we're going to check out a fill that uses the 6-stroke roll, one of my favorite rudiments. The 6-stroke roll is typically right, left, left, right, right, left. And we're going to play that in an even triplet rhythm. And we're going to add one extra accented right stroke. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate this for you in a second, but I just want to point out the singles are really heavily accented and the double strokes are way quieter. Check it out. So now let's take that phrase and let's add a kick drum. 6 plus kick. Once you're comfortable with that phrase, then we can put it into a one measure fill. The way you're going to do that is you're going to play the 6 plus kick phrase twice, and then you're going to play one additional 6-stroke roll. Here's what that sounds like with a groove. Pretty happening fill, right? Okay, it's going to sound even better when we start moving around the kit. The first move is going to be the first note of each 6-stroke roll is going to be played on a tom. First time small tom, second time medium, last time floor. Check it out. Okay, this next orchestration is a little bit challenging, but it sounds so cool. You got to give this a shot. The right hand is going to do the exact same thing we did in the last example. You're going to play the first note of each 6-stroke roll on the tom, then you're going to come back to the snare. The left hand is now going to play the whole time on the hi-hat. And I want you to make sure when you play this orchestration that you keep the accents. Okay, don't forget about the accents because they add to the coolness of the fill. Check this out. In number 6, we're going to play a different orchestration. We're going to play the first note of each 6-stroke roll on the floor tom and the last note of each 6-stroke roll on the small tom. Okay, now let's do a completely different orchestration. I don't usually play double strokes on the toms, but sometimes it sounds really great. In this orchestration, we're going to play the 6-stroke roll like this. Right on the snare, double left on the small, double right on the medium, left, right on the floor tom. Check out what that sounds like. So there are many more orchestration possibilities. Those are a few I liked. Mess around, try different things, see what you can come up with. One other thing you can do to mess with this phrase is you can take each one of the kick drum notes and double them. Okay, here's our phrase with doubled kick each time. So now I'd like to just do a quick demonstration of all the orchestrations we talked about using a double kick instead of a single kick. Couple more thoughts for you. When you're playing that last version of the fill that has the double kick, if you're a double pedal player, you can play that right-left instead of both notes with the right foot. And the other thing is, whenever you have a cool hand-foot combination like this, move it around your kit in as many different ways as you can think of. Not only are you getting more familiar with the pattern, but you're getting more familiar with the drum set, and you might come up with something that's really special and unique. So feel free to do double strokes on the toms and the cymbals and the cowbell and whatever, and just have a good time and come up with something new. Hey, I'm Jim Linsner. Check me out at drumlessonsbuffalo.com.